I'm back with one of my videos, and this is the review of the film Annabelle Comes Home. And this is the 2019 film, and this film is just for 1 hour and 46 minutes, but then it could not captivate me, it could not scare me, it could not even give me the slightest ruffle. It did not raise the goosebumps, nothing. It was absolutely so plain, and it was so not happening, you know. I wish the director Gary Dauberman could make better stuff. And if you're going to make a sequel of Annabelle, it should be even more scarier. Like I had spoken about last time, I spoke about The Nun, and when the sequel of the Nun came, it wasn't scary at all. I mean, you can't afford to put in zombies, and you can't afford to have special effects and all. Like I always keep saying, ghost stories are supposed to be ghost stories, and they're supposed to really scare you. I mean, till the time that you don't want to go to the washroom, you don't want to go to the kitchen, you don't want... These sort of things should happen, but nothing of that sort happened. Now, some of you might be saying, "Oh God, you're too brave. You're just being over the top. You know, kind of critical about this whole movie." But I want to tell you one thing, that if you really want to scare people, with some movies like this, then you have to have the scare factor, you have to have the horror factor, because you can't afford to have a movie where I'm just sitting there and I'm saying, "Oh God, all right, I'm gonna make some memes out of this, I'm gonna have some fun," because it's really funny. Because if it has to be a horror movie, then you have to think a lot, because it's a very critical and very complicated genre that you're going to work on. So you just can't let it go like that and put in some zombies and throw in some special effects and try to scare people. It doesn't happen like that, because people are no longer scared of all that. They are no longer scared of special effects. They want more realistic things. They want more real stuff. They want to get the creeps. They want to get they want to get psyched up and all those kind of things. Of course, my son was a little scared, but I think that's very natural because he's a young boy. But then I was really not scared. And then there are some other movies which I was scared of, but this movie, well, it has done fantastically well at the box office, $231.3 million, and this has an 81% like this film. So I don't know, I'm not part of this 81%, and some people have given it, and the score is 5.9 out of 10. I think when I completed the movie, I told my son that I'm going to give it a 1 out of 10, because I really don't think it's a movie worth watching, because it was very run-of-the-mill, you know. It was a very run-of-the-mill kind of a movie, and where the story was not captivating enough, and I was very disappointed, because I was really thinking it was going to scare me, because I hadn't watched a horror movie in a long time, and I wanted to get the jitters, I wanted to get the goosebumps, I wanted to have a shiver down my spine. Nothing of that sort happened. And even though I tried my special effects by putting off the lights, well, it didn't happen as well. Even despite the fact that I put off the lights and I was trying to put in the special effects myself, it didn't happen at all. So I don't know, if somebody might like it, somebody who just wants to watch a horror movie, they can go watch it. But people who really want to get psyched up, on people who really want to get scared, and people who are really fans of horror films, I don't think you'd like this movie very much, because I am a hardcore horror loving person, you know. I love the horror in horror movies, or wherever the horror is. So it didn't really scare me at all, and so I'm very disappointed if the director of Annabelle Comes Home is listening to me. I mean, I'm gonna try to disappoint you, but then I think you gotta work on horror a little more harder than just putting in special effects and moving things here and there. It doesn't scare people anymore. Anyway, but I'm going to come back with more reviews, but this was people who are just trying to tune into horror stories can watch this if they want to be a little scared, but it didn't scare me at all. Rather, I'm laughing, and I was making up some music while the ghost was moving here and there. So it didn't really scare me at all. You gotta do better, you know, when you come up with horror for people like me. So you gotta make it scarier, and you gotta make it even better. Anyway, all the best, and I hope you make a great movie. And in the meanwhile, I'm going to ask all my friends here to subscribe to my channel and to press the bell icon so that you get regular updates whenever I'm uploading a video. And I love all of you so much. Take care.